Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Ma'am.
How are
Morning.
you today? How are you today, guys?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine.
Thank you very much for asking me. Thank you very much for joining on time. Yeah, have you breakfast?
Yes, chef.
Yes, you have already breakfast. Yeah. So are you ready for study now?
Ready, ma'am.
And before we start our lesson today, Bagas, can you lead the prayer, please?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, friend. Before we study, let's pray together. Begin. Finish.
Thank you very much, Bagas. Thank you for your responsibility as a leader of this class. Okay. Next, I'm going to check your attendance first. Bagas Adi Firmansyah,
Present.
Eki Ramadin.
Yes, I am, ma'am.
Okay, good. Dea Ananda Citra.
Present.
Nice. Farida Azakia.
Present.
Good. Reza Revaldo.
Yes, I am.
Okay, Rifki.
Present.
Delia Maharani.
Present.
Siska Dwi Rahayu.
Present.
Nur Suhartania Zahra.
Present.
Tasya Nurul Hira.
Present.
Taufik Dharma Surahman.
Present.
Farida Azakia.
Present.
Present. Okay, thank you very much for joining on time. Everyone are joining this classroom. Since we are doing our learning process in virtual, so you have to follow the virtual classroom rule. Be on time, act like you are at school, sit in one spot during the class, keep yourself muted, turn on your video, raise your hand to talk, listen carefully, no eating during the class, and have fun and do your best. Just remember every day, in every time, in every single day you have, don't forget to study hard. You have to study hard. Yeah. No matter if it seems impossible, no matter if it takes time, no matter if you have to up all night, just remember that the feeling of success is the best thing in the entire world. Today, as what I told you on the previous meeting, we are going to talking about the procedure text. And I'm going to tell you about the learning outcome. After you are learning the material, I hope that everyone here will be able to identify the social function, generic structure, and the language features of the procedure text. Here, I will be helping you in finding what is social function, generic structure, and language features. And after that letter, at the end of the lesson, you will be able also to arrange the text of procedure text. Yeah. Let's do activity 1. What foods or drinks are they? This is the first picture. Okay, can you see the picture?
Cendol.
Okay, cendol.
Cendol dawet.
No.
I have another picture. Can you guess what is that?
Strawberry smoothies.
How about this one?
Nasi lemak.
Nasi uduk.
How about this one? The brand is
Noodle. Noodle.
Huh?
Noodle.
Ya, noodle apa?
Noodle goreng.
Mie goreng.
Noodle fry. Noodle fry.
Can you? I still have one picture for you. You have to identify it. Okay. How about this one? Do you know how to make it?
Rujak.
After you are identified the picture, do you have any questions?
Yes, Mom, I have a question.
Okay, good. Tasya, please.
Why do we need to identify this channel, this rujak and the other?
Okay, nice, good. Today we are going to learn about the steps of making it. Not about the foods, but how the way to make that food. This is rujak. In making rujak, what do we need? Apa aja?
Chili.
Fruit.
Lili.
Chili.
Mango, papaya,
Pineapple.
brown sugar,
Pineapple, papaya, brown sugar.
Can you tell me the step?
Menyiapkan buah.
Buah.
Okay, preparing the fruits. Good.
Plak, kupas.
Okay, peel the fruits and then
Gerus.
kerus.
Bersihin.
Cuci water.
Cuci, Bu.
Cuci water.
Okay.
Makan food.
Hah?
Makan food.
And then what else? After you cut the fruits,
Chili. Brown sugar.
Sugar.
Peanut.
Garam.
Salt.
salt. Okay. And then after that, after you cut the fruits and then you grind the sauce, you have to mix all together. How to make rujak buah? Goal dari teks procedure. Can you tell me what is ingredients?
Chili. Fruit.
Salt, brown sugar,
Terus?
Brown
Fruits.
sugar.
Peanut.
peanut salt,
Yeah.
Oh,
mango, papaya,
Papaya.
buah.
Dong.
Kedongrong.
Kadonggong. This is the steps.
Langkah-langkah, Bu.
Nah, good.
Please make all the fruit together.
Green chilies and salt.
Sugar.
Okay, Rif.
Add dry,
Ingredient.
roasted peanuts and grain complete. Started for liquid.
Mix the sauce and the fruits together.
Good. Good. Next.
Then mix the sauce and the fruits together.
Good. Reza, next.
Finally, serve chili.
So those are the steps. Yeah, the first, second, third, next after that, and then finally. On a procedural text, there are consists of 3. The goal. Tujuan dari teks yang tadi. How to make.
Rujak buah.
And the last one is steps. Langkah-langkah. How many generic structure of the procedural text?
3, Bu. Ada
Okay,
3.
good. Apa aja?
Steps.
Okay, now some tense that we will use on procedural text. For example, the first one, imperative sentence. You have to use imperative sentence in making procedural text. And then you have to use action verb. And the last one, conjunctional. Yeah. Yes. You have to do activity 2. Yeah. You have to find out the imperative sentence, the action verbs, and conjunctional from the text. So please, anyone, tell me what is the example of imperative sentence?
Make all the
All
fruit.
the fruits together.
Can you tell me what is the example of action verb?
Mix and add.
Okay. Can you tell me the conjunctional, the example of conjunctional of this text?
First, second, third, next, after, then, finally.
Okay, good. How to make?
How to make rujak.
How to make rujak. So, how to make rujak is the social function. Yes. Remember, generic structure of the procedural text consists of 3. The first one, goal, ingredients, and step. Do you still remember about the goal of procedural text on the previous slide? Kalian?
How to make rujak.
Okay, good. How to make rujak. So, how about the ingredient?
Fruit.
Hmm.
Sugar brown.
Hmm.
Roasted peanut.
Peanut.
Chili.
Do you still remember the step of making rujak?
Mix
Fruits.
and
And
fruits and
and,
fruit together.
Hmm.
Terus second, green and salt.
Salt, and then language features of the procedural text using simple present, using action verb, imperative sentence, and conjunctional tense. So is the activity 3. Yeah. So here, are you ready to do the activity 3?
Ready, Mom.
please try to find out. The first group will be presented by Farida, Rani, and Siska. You have to arrange the steps of making mango juice. Second group will be presented by Bagas, Rifki, and Reza. You have to find out the imperative sentence. 3 will be presented by Tasya, Dea, and Tania. So, group 3, you have to find out the example of action verb of the text. Group 4 will be presented by Eki and Taufik. Your task is to find out the conjunctional of the text. How to make mango juice. I will give you 10 minutes from now, so please do it with your group starting from now. Hello students, have you finished?
Yes,
Finish,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Wow, nice. Check your works. Nice. Can you see the group 1? Farida, Rani, and Siska. And then Bagas, Rifki, and Reza. Group 3, Tasya, Dea, and Tania. Group 4, Eki and Taufik.
First, peel the mango and clean it.
Good.
Next, cut the mango into pieces and put them into the blender.
Nice.
Then add water and salt and sugar. Or after that, for about 5 minutes. Finally, pour the mango juice into the glass and the juice is ready to drink.
Peel the mango and clean it. Cut the
Yeah.
mango and into pieces and put them into the blender.
Nice.
Add water, ice cubes, and sugar.
Good.
Put on the blender.
Next.
Pour the mango juice into the glass.
Okay.
Peel.
Action for
Peel,
me.
cut, add
Fidel?
Cut.
and then
Conjunctional of the text, phrase,
Next.
next, 10,
Then
after that, finally. Thank you.
I will give you some reflection here. You have to answer the question honestly based on what you have done and felt during the lesson. Need one of you who can tell me the conclusion of today's materials.
Farida.
Farida, okay. Farida, please, can you give me the conclusion for today's material?
Today, we have learned about the procedure text, which consists of social function, generic structure, and language features. The social function of procedure text is the purpose of the text. Generic structure are goal, ingredients, or material, and steps. And the language features are using present tense, action verb, imperative sentence, and conjunctional words. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Farida. Nice conclusion. Yeah, you catch the material well. You recognize the material well. There is no questions. I will close the material for today. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you very much for your nice join for today. Thank you very much for everything today. Our lesson today. Let's pray together. Begin. Finish. Thank you very much, students. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Batu.